tripod, but I'm just gonna jack it up for real. Make sure y'all always lock y'all jack stand. Lock it, because these Harbor Freights. Now we got it all sorted. We finna, the next thing to do is rip off this front end right here. Once we rip off this front end, it should be straight. I gotta unhook the drive shaft, take out the trans mounts, take out the power steering right here, take out the slave cylinder and the fuel lines, and shoot, should be straight. Take out the exhaust, of course, and then unbolt the mounts and all that. Then this should all just come out. I got wheels coming for this whole thing next week, so not too worried about that. And it gives me a chance to clear up all this little wired mess. This wasn't even on all the way. No oil sealing anyways, but y'all see it. It's pretty hot. That's why I got these fans right here too. Got the fans right here as well, right there as well. Y'all see that ARPs, S52 cams over there. Shoot, it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something. Yo, what's going? Part 4, turbo E36. Just got the motor in. Y'all see it. This is my original motor too. Y'all ain't know, but got all that, and then I know I got Shy with me. Alright. Whoa. And then now I got everything unbolted off this. Watch, let me show y'all what it do. Transmission drop. All this drop. This gonna come out when I lift the motor up. Once I lift engine mounts, dropped all that. Lift it up, take it out, break it down, put everything on the new motor. So, you know what I'm saying? We getting it rolling. That's that. It's that turbo E36 build, and then y'all see the look. You know what I'm saying?
What's the move? What's the move?
One second.
Yeah. What's the light? What's the light?
I don't got enough. That shit just gotta come. Huh? Yeah. Give me 1 second. All right.
Got that bitch out, son.
Shout out Big D.
Yeah.
Shout out Fat. My bad. That's Fat. I'm gonna take the trans off and then. What? I'm gonna take these bolts off and then the trans shit just burn out. Yeah, go up a little bit though. I'll take the bottom bolts out.
Oh.
You good? good. Alright. Yeah, motor out. Y'all see it. Got it. This the other motor. I gotta take out this oil pump. This is my original one. The timing thing came, oil pump timing thing came off, and then I just gotta change that out. I'm gonna check the bearings on this, wash this out, new oil pan, and then put this manifold all over. Run that. Clean the engine bay too. Know what I'm saying? I'm creeping in. Kick. Oh! Dylan, you're not even gonna believe this. It's like gas mixed with water, mixed with gas mixed with water, mixed with oil. Yo, D, I don't feel shit. I ain't hear shit. Going bad.
Man, we gonna figure it out though. What's the plan?
Hey, we gonna take this whole thing off. I'm gonna take out everything. Take this oil pump out. Once I take this oil pump out, put it on that one. Clean that one up. Know what I'm saying? I really don't though. You know, I'm just whatever he told me to do, I'm gonna do it.
God damn.
Watch when I drop the pen. It's gonna be fall till I fall. All my business.
What's going on, bro?
What's up, twin? Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So what we doing today, twin?
I'm taking out the oil pan right now. We're gonna see how the rest of it look.
Alright.
In our reality, I'm transferring the oil pan to over there in the oil pump. My oil pump on that one bad.
Okay.
So keep your boats, don't lose it.
Don't say a word.
Yo, so we back. Update. Got the transmission off. I got the clutch set up right there, and then oil pan off. But think about this, the motor I'm finna put in. Think about taking the head off, resurface, head gasket, put my S52 cams in, and really ARP head studs, get it studded and all. So it's really ain't gotta really worry about it again. And new oil pump, so that's what we really headed towards right now. Fat H2. That's how you do timing.
See how both these cams pointed up now, so number one has.
Oh, it's pointed towards each other.
Right, and that means number one is closed all the way.
It's that N52 timing. I got OG with me. I don't know about that.
Oh God, y'all don't know about this.
We finna tear this head off. I know I said a week, but it might be 2 weeks.
It ain't gonna be 2 weeks. You gotta make sure you just finish the job.
Alright, it's gonna be a week. Yo, 12:30. Heads off. I'm gonna clean the block probably Sunday. Head off. Everything look pretty straight for the most part. I'm gonna go get it resurfaced and buy a new head gasket. And all we doing is just waiting game and cleaning everything now. So yeah, I'm gonna end it for the night. And you know, we live to fight another day. Take it one day at a time, step by step, but you still gotta accomplish a goal. Get to it.